Start by removing excess water. Remember, wet fabrics and paper will be heavier and as a result more fragile than usual. Use boxes, trays, or platforms for support, or a canvas stretcher if there's one available. Initially, you may need to keep wet fabrics or paper separate from each other by using clean white towels, sheets, or other blotting materials. To prevent dye transfer problems from getting worse, avoid moving any objects that show signs of bleeding until you have stabilized the situation.
If you already have a dye that's dissolving in the water and starting to move around, what you want to do is try to blot the water away first. It's probably best not to try to move something that you think is in the process of transferring dye. So the best thing would be to leave the object in place and try to blot the water as best you can.
After removing the excess moisture, move on to drying.